hope so you men stay cool. Like you men are fine. Yeah, me too. A day, bro. Like a day. You feel me? Man, today we are on some story shit, some story levels. You feel me? I know you all have figured it out already by the title. I know. I still, for the sake of the culture, I have to tell you. You feel me? But if you don't know and you say any nonsense, if you don't know and you say any stupid thing, I will deal with you personally. Yes. Personally. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I could deal with you personally. Personally. Yeah, so the story, man. Hey, wait. This is Kush, and I'm here to do me. This is me. You feel me? Oh, 2017. I was in a certain fitness club like that, and there was this fine girl with this big boros. You know me and boroses. I don't like boros. I mean fat boroses. You feel me? So this girl was inside, or this lady was there, and because of the way she was fine, man, I couldn't muster the courage to go talk to her. But you know, if you watched a video that I made about if it is yours, it will surely come to you. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, she eventually came to me because she was mine alone. She came to me. You feel me? Yeah. So man, 2017 October, right after my birthday, some woman be in the room, my puppy. You feel me? We my puppy come talk with like the bouncers for the family inside. You can't talk with say make you go claim your money to give back. You feel me? Yeah, man. Like a body for your bush anybody. So we went to create the commotion to go claim my father's money for him. And as a getaway driver there, like I supposed to take the car inside, you feel me? So say if anything be an boom, we go left. So now they the car inside, we hear somebody they bang my window like that. Make sure it was this lady. And she was like, "Hey Prince, what are you guys doing here? And then don't you know you're gonna be yourself injured? Please don't talk to your senior pastor, leave here, please. Because there are a lot of people trooping inside to come witness what was going on, you understand? And my brother too on their head or go. So this girl came and then we vibed a little bit before we left off. And like she took my number, you feel me? And man, we started talking from there. Apparently she liked me way back in the fitness club, and she also couldn't say. Fine. So yeah, man, we started talking, and I had already moved out of a rusty relationship, and I didn't want to get myself involved in this whole relationship of a thing. You feel me? I told her I wasn't ready, but then she was ready, and she made me, or she made me to be ready. Let me put it that way. And she was always coming to my house, bringing me stuff, bringing me gifts. I'm not saying that is my criteria of choosing who I want to be with, but she was just generous enough. She was sensible enough to do all that for me, and the girl was good. We managed to kiss one day outside our house, and that was when I fell for her. Hey, she was actually a good kisser, like a good kisser. Giddy. I don't go lie you, man. So after the kiss, we started dating officially, right? She is older than me. I think 5-6 years intervals between myself and her. So she's really beautiful. Like I admired her, and she was very, very matured when it came to relationship. Like between myself and her, she was very matured. Even though we were not staying together, but she made me feel like we were just together, as in we were sleeping in the same, like we were sleeping on the same bed, bathing together, doing everything together. You understand? And the girl was good. Sex, God. You know, I don't go fake give you minutes. I don't go lie you. And she's damn good in bed. Jesus Christ. Hey, I think the way I make a soul, like the way I'll be. Maybe I don't cry here. I'm just maybe I don't cry, but then she's good. The point is, she is good in bed. So we did all that, and unfortunately for me, she was into alcohol, or she liked taking alcohol, and then as at those times, I didn't want to get myself involved with anyone who knows how to drink. So it was just a turn off for me, and I advised her to stop. Initially, I told her that she should find a way and then stop, but she couldn't. She went to Accra, and then her friends also influenced her again. That was when I broke up with her. She cried for days. But man, I mean to me for meeting room, you feel me? So a year after, 2018, I was there and I got a call from her, and then she was like, she's back in Kumasi, she wants to see me, we need to talk. But then I wasn't in a house. I had moved to my mother's house, and I told her that to me baby and I'll come see her. And most of the times I came to visit my dad on weekends. Mostly I come on Fridays and I leave on Sundays, you feel me? So I came one weekend and my dad was away, so it was hulele. Well, hey, when I met her, she was staying a bit far from where my house was. But then I don't know if it was sick of me. But then that was what she told me, that it was sick of me. She thought I would have still been around. You understand? So she invited me to her place, and apparently I was still madly in love with her. If not for the alcohol, but I was still in love with her. So when she called me, I just couldn't. You know how much of a fan I am with Borosis. Like the girl in us, like it big, you do not big like that. So a friend from Sana, I just can't. I don't know. I can't deny the invitation. And then me home, but so man, this girl invited me, and that was when the massacre started. I was in her room when I went. The way she was dressed, the way she positioned herself, like I knew she was in the mood, and I also was in the mood to get some things started. Man, the smooshing started, the kissing started. We were just, you understand? We were cutting ourselves. Nice and crown. Yeah, man. And we heard a loud bang on the door. Gang, like, open the door. So I thought maybe it was her dad, and apparently her dad was a deacon in the church that I was. Get me? So I thought maybe on one some way somehow. But then the girl was old, and I don't know. But so she went out. She was just talking with this person, and I heard her lock the door. You understand? I didn't see her though, so I heard that lock sound. And I was like, "Hey, what the heck is going on here?" Now if my heart caught, like you must shame, I come and not see you, giddy you. Dogo. All I heard was Mimi, the nigga two was, hey, be a no, 100 numbers on. Hey, like I don't know, Makoma Tion. I bet me feet, no Makoma Nimu. I said, giddy. I told him a last animal. And the struggle was very, very tight. And the girl couldn't. So the guy broke into the house, in the room, and he was like, yo, nigga, what should I find for here? By then time to one, I said, my Musa as a senior man, Bole, beyond, I said, hey, the way the nigga find me taba, on the quenchy pound of my bassa, when you see me, boom, tobacco for like, what I do? So there no one uncle for rushing in. Then I go, so what is really going on here near that day? And the guy had to, I don't know, leave. So I thought maybe he was going to, I had to quickly run, like in the imbole, then they wedged me for top deal. I swear to God, he didn't know, they beat me like something, thief. Hey, like I still the kind of thing on, like it pay me. I came to the house and I couldn't alter a word to anyone. And I came to sleep in peace. The thing is, thankfully, I wasn't hurt, but I'm born my you feel me? Hey, they were with machetes like knives near the ideal. Hey, because of a lady, like they almost killed me. So after that, the girl called me son and pick it. And it was just recently that she also reached out again, and then she explained everything that the guy, fine, she was dating the guy. As at that time, Nana went in the breaking up, she was dating the guy, and the guy smoked. The guy was into alcohol. Apparently, per what she said, I changed her. You know, she wanted to be a better person for me. So she changed. She refrained herself from taking alcohol. I'm okay, that was good. So, a guy and another guy, and she felt the guy would have been a bad influence on her. You feel me? So, okay, so when when a guy, what's your kind of soul? Like, put it that way, what's your kind of soul? So, or maybe urban life will be, he just chases him away and I don't know, the damage that had already been caused. So, there was nothing I could really do again. If you No, we're not back together. No, we're not back together. So guys, that is my story. Or that was my story. How I almost got myself killed because of a woman. Hey, Jesus, Nana Kwame. Mr. Kush, like you do things, so hey. This is Kush once again. I obviously did me. You know how we do it. Please do subscribe if you haven't and hit that notification bell icon for me. Like it, share. I mean, let me know your comments. Hey, if you insult me, do you remember the song? P. Sing 'em.
Personally.
Yeah. So you know that I will left few minutes for you if you want me. This is your boy Kush, and I'm out.